Now guys, there's a Toyota Prado here. There's Toyota Prado here. It's an SUV. It's an SUV. Guys, here. Best family car here. Just go around. Hello, guys. Now guys, this one here is for the year 2005, 3400 cc, and this goes for 1.78 million Kenyan shillings, which is negotiable, and this is the contact of the seller there. So I'll just show you inside, the way it looks from inside. This is the way it looks from inside, guys. This is the way it looks from inside. That's the boot space. You can see that's the legroom space. Very spacious, and also it has a sunroof. You can see the sunroof. Window controls, guys. Controls. Now this is the way it looks from inside, guys. You can see that's the sunroof there. That's the sunroof there, guys. Can you see? These are the seats. It's four-wheel drive, guys. It's four-wheel drive. Guys, so if you have your 1.78 million Kenya shillings, there's a Prado here for you.